In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy from Alibaba for personal use. If you've ever wondered whether you can order just one item on Alibaba, the short answer is yes, and I'll walk you through the process from account setup to tracking your package, with tips to keep things smooth and secure. Start by going to Alibaba.com or opening the Alibaba app. Create an account by selecting Sign Up, then register with your email or a linked account, like Google or Facebook. Make sure you verify your email so your account is fully activated. Even if you only want a single item for yourself, you can absolutely use Alibaba. Next, search for the product you want using the search bar. Narrow your results using filters that work best for personal purchases. Ready to ship helps you find items that can be dispatched quickly. Low MOQ or minimum order quantity is key. Aim for listings that allow small quantities, ideally one piece. Also turn on trade assurance to prioritize safer transactions. As a practical rule, avoid suppliers with very high MOQs like 100 units if you just need one. When you open a product, check the supplier's profile, look for solid ratings and reviews, a gold supplier badge, a trade assurance label, and a good response rate. Then read the product details carefully so you understand exactly what's included, the available options, and any size or compatibility notes. Before you commit, confirm the MOQ and pricing. You'll often see listings that allow one piece or a sample. If it isn't obvious, send a quick message asking, "Can I buy one piece for personal use?" Many suppliers accommodate this, especially for samples. Messaging the supplier is important. Click chat now and ask for the total price, including shipping to your country, the estimated delivery time, and which courier they use, DHL, FedEx, or UPS. Are common. A simple message like, "Hi, I want to buy one piece for personal use. How much is the total cost including shipping to my country?" works well. You can also ask whether taxes or duties are included so you're not surprised later. Choose the right shipping method. Express couriers are the fastest and easiest for personal use. Air freight can be cheaper, but slower and less convenient for single items. Avoid sea freight unless you're buying in bulk. Keep in mind that shipping can cost more than the item itself. When you're ready, click Start Order or Buy Now. Enter your shipping address, pick your payment method, credit or debit card or PayPal if available, and make sure the order is covered by trade assurance for protection. Then pay and confirm. Finally, track your order in My Orders by selecting Track Order and monitor the shipping updates until it arrives.